All right, we got to rebuild the kids' hillbilly sled. You can see over the years it's taken a beating. And this is one of the best sleds I've ever made. I'm going to kind of show you guys how to make one of these just out of like scrap stuff. So I got to take it apart and get rid of this one. So let's do that real quick. I'm just going to basically transfer all this junk off onto a new sled and we'll be good to go. So these sleds you can get for like 10 bucks or whatever at the end of the summer. So just buy a few of them, and you know they're good for little kids. And then we put a piece of carpet padding in the bottom for a little bit of cushion. So it's a cheap, fun little sled. So okay, so you can see this is just a piece of like water pipe or iron pipe, and then I take angle iron, this is bed frame, and just chop it, and I bore holes in. That looks like maybe a 3/8 inch hole probably. So, and then I just loop the rope over it and pretty much good to go. You could paint it if you want to get fancy, but yeah, so that's all there is to it.